kung ang Totos wants to be nice, pwede kayo mag 4 and 4. Let's do it. Okay, Bulldog get the first possession. Number 00, drive in, good. All right, Purdy get the possession. Up, lost the ball. Intercepted by Bulldog. Number 26, pass the ball, short, follow up, and 1. Okay. Hurry up, guys. Sign up first before you can play. Sign up, sign up. Offensive rebound by number 26, but lost the ball. Number 16, dribble the ball, pass to Ruden. Ruden, go inside, trap, pass to number 25, lost the ball. Intercepted by number 00. Looks like the Bulldogs are prepared to play today, whether they are 4 or 5. Number 26 for 3, air ball, but follow up by number 00. Oh, nice try, number 29. Oh, inbound to number 25 Roden. Pass to Young, number 16. Young drive in, pass to Jaime. Missed the shots. Rebound by number 26 going in. Dribble, going inside, lost the ball. Good defense by Turtles. Young, number 16, drive in. Nice drive. Atienza dribble the ball to number 4. 0-0, drive in. Oh, tap by. Then Totos ball out of bounds. Number 69, Purdy. Pass the ball inside to Jong. Jong. Oh, good pass to Roden. Jump shot, no good. Jong, battle for rebound. Purdy, bank shot. Good.
Let's go, defense.
You can go in now. Go in, go in.
16, John.
Number 29, no good. Rebound by number 29. Follow up by 4, no good. Purdy rebound. The tallest guy in the court. Purdy again, bank shot, no good. Number 4, rebound from CCP Bulldog. Number 26 to number 35. 3 points, no good. Young, pass to Roden. Cherry picking. Rebound. Oh, he missed it. Wow. Tough luck. Oh. Bad communication from CCP Bulldog. Ball. Jaime receive the ball. Back pass to Purdy. Purdy directing the traffic. Trying to shake him. Oh, nice layup from Purdy.
baby and Steve.
rocking the ball. And a layup.
The baby and Steve Purdy. I see.
Babysitting the ball. Number 29, force it. No good. Number 00. Pablo. Number 30 to Purdy. Young. Oh, in. Foul. Number 35.
Okay.
No good. Oh, rebound by number 00. Number 26. Directing traffic. Almost lost the ball. Foul. Number 30. Pablo. Substitution. Rebound by Jaime. Pass to John. John dribble the ball, guarded by Atienza, number 29. Oh, all the way in. Oh! Bad pass to Caleb Lee. Too fast for him. Oh, number 35 interception. Oh, nice inbound pass. Oh, he missed it. Atienza missed an easy shot. Good recovery by number 26. Foul, blocking foul for number 26. Ralnick, number 20. Beautifully dribbled the ball. Wow! That's a good. There you go. Kuya Mario directing the traffic to his team. Atienza. Oh, drive in. Good backup rebound and a layup for Atienza, number 29. Purdy bringing down the ball. Shake and bake. There you go. Crossover. Pass to Jaime. Oh, a good defensive shut down by CCP Bulldog.
Got the City Hall around. What time did you guys get there? Shit. 5? I know. We had to set up and
Atienza, yup, and one.
Yeah, that was crazy. The food was so expensive.
Bonus shot for Atienza.
Oh, sorry. Food is always expensive.
He missed the bonus shot. John guarded by 26 and still managed to get in, missed the shots. Rebound by number 29, Atienza. Number 4 guarded by Pablo to number 35. Number 35 pass to 26. 3-point shot. Good! Number 26. 3-point shot. Kuya Mario says, no dribbling. Take a shot. No good. Over the back. Foul by number 16, John. Number 26. Up. Grab by number 23, Jaime. Time. And the first quarter.
It should be 8. It's 26. 26.
According to referee, it's a foul. Yeah, pinaul dito eh. Penalty yata kayo. 2 shots. Miss the first one. Looks like everybody's leaving. Sam, makisama ka Sam. Manood ka, pinanood ka rin ng mga ito. Alright, bank free throw from number 26.
Let's see the crown. 85. I want to go home.
Okay, Totos inbound the ball. Looks like CCP Bulldog got a complete team now. Oh, wow. Number 26 driving by himself. No good. Rebound by number 20 Kalim Lim. Pass to Jong. Jong go inside. Muscle up. No. Foul. 25. Young missed the first shot. Good. He did the second shot.
So if he misses one, it's just a circle of blank. Yeah.
Number 26.
Blank circle.
Give to number 00. Nice fake. Oh, he missed the shots. Number 35. Oh, miss again. Number 4. Pick up by Rodan. Oh, miss a shot. Wow, that's a power game by John, number 16.
The garbage man. And those buckets in the garbage.
Number 26 to Mark. Nice pass inbound. Number 00 missed the shots. Purdy rebound the ball. Oh, good interception.
Almost a half, huh?
Nakita na yung ano eh. Papasaan mo eh. Number 35, jump shot, no good. Rebound by Mark. Tap the ball to Ollie, number 4, no good. Mark rebound the ball, muscle up inside. Foul by Kuya Mario. 99, loop ba loop. Dapat nilagyan ni Kuya Mario ng one yan eh. Para $1.99.
Yeah.
Second shot, miss. Rebound by number 20, but a good defensive rebound by number 26. Red Bull. Red Bull.
Red Bull. If you win, Red Bull.
Red Bull. Jump go all the way in. Jump shot bang. Made it. sila Oh, inbound pass. Oh, pick up by Mark. To number 26, inside by Atienza. Miss. Oh, pick up by. Oh. Gomez, pick. He missed it. Keep playing, Romnick. There you go. No good. Rebound by number 4. Number 00. Layup. Good. Alves. Oh, block shot by Atienza. Okay. Young, number 16, turn around. Good. Number 35, dribble the ball to Mark Hua. To Atienza. Atienza drive in, lost the ball, pass to Roden, back to Pablo, but the ball went out. Mark Hua drive the ball. A 3-point attempt. No good. It's a free ball for Roden. There. No good. Nice. Flip back by Roden. Number 35. Oh, wow. What a driving shot by number 35.
Score, ano? Joey. What your score?
Score 17-16. 17-16.
Who's up?
CCP. Toto's girl. Toto's up.
Oh, what a good pass. Oh, missed it. Missed it by a mile. Oh, nice pass to Kuya Mario. 19-16 totals by 3 points. Oh, Totos got the rebound. Kuya Mario to Purdy. One hand shot, no good. Kuya Mario rebound. A foul. Number 35. Oh, first shot is missed by Kuya Mario. Second shot is good. Oh, wow. Almost a steal by number 69. Mapua all the way to number 35. Nice. Two play. Gong. Oh. Pablo for 3. Oh, no good. Blue ball. Oh, a red ball. Foul. Number 26. no good. Nobody pick up the ball. Blue ball. Oh, almost.
18 to 20.
Okay, let's go back to game.
Two more quarters.
Oh, a breaking pass inside by Totos. Birdie waiting for his teammates to get back. Reset for the Rotos. Birdie, bank shot. Good!
Go Ferdy!
Kahit hindi mahal na araw, sumalubong ka raw. Atienza inside to number, oh, a nice two-player game. Number 00. Galvez to Jong, number 16, directing traffic. Foul, grabbing the arm by number 4. On the floor. Nice shot by Jaime. Good bounce.
For Toto's good.
Number 35, drive in. No good. Rebound by Rocket. Galvez. Directing traffic. Oh, nice crossover by Jaime. Jump shot. Foul on number 29. Atienza. 2 shots. Oh, didn't get the bounce. Second shot, no good. Rebound by Jaime, the shooter. Good defense. Reverse layup by number 4. Birdie looking for his teammates. Depended by number 26. Wow, you don't leave that guy open.
Bang!
He's a banker.
Okay, up by 14. 14.
Number 00 getting traffic. Number 26 drive in. No good. Rebound. Number 26. Oh, bounce to number 29. A good draw for Atienza. 2-point lead. Romnick to Galvez. Brody to John. Foul by number 4. Penalty. Timeout, CCP Bulldog.
Right.
Oh, what a block shot by number 29.
Jeff, I thought we were shooting too earlier.
Hasn't been 5,000.
Bank shot. Nope.
Come on, Ramsey, come on. Come on, come on.
Foul. Number 69. My favorite number. Tony, nandito ka pa? Uwi ka na, Tony. Announcer eh.
It's stuck in the air.
Nakakayaki ko yung Mario pag di ko pinanood. Buti nga hindi gano'n lang alam ko pabasa. Galvez to number 16 for 3. Good! Number 16, Young, 3 points. Number 35, bring down the ball to Mark Pua for 3. Another tap by Jaime to Young, 16. Oh, pick up by Jaime. Pass to number 16, Young. To Galvez, good fake. Yeah! Bounce. Thanks, shot. Almost steal. 3-point shots, no good. Rebound by Young. Pass to Galvez. Bank shot again. No good this time. Oh, what a good rebound. And defensive shutdown by number 00. Nice interception by number 00. What a screen. Foul by number 20. Good foul, good foul. Stopping the possible easy layup. Atienza number 29 holding the ball. Oh, he lost the ball. Pass to Romney. Romney all the way. Wow, was a sexy layup but it didn't make it. Diretso. Dapat sa loob niya ipapasok. Oh, what a steal by Galvez. There you go. Pass to Jaime all the way to number. A good pass inside. Missed the shot. Number 25, 35? 25 on total.
Whoever want to hear that says
Ruden.
structure again.
Si Ruden nakapaw.
It should never be said. At an AVPBO game.
Number 35, grab the ball to number 26. Pass to 0-0 for 3. No good. Rebound by Purdy. Purdy run all the way in. Bank shot. No good. And Purdy recovered the ball.
Bread and butter. Oh, no.
Oh, pass. Good pass inside to John. Bring down the ball. Bring down the ball. It goes back to
End of the quarter. 24-33.
Let's finish this. We want to go home. Toto's inbounding. Kuya Mario pass to Jaime. Jaime dribble the ball. Pass to
Galvez. Purdy.
Purdy. Purdy all the way to Kuya Mario. No good. Back to Kuya Mario. No good again. Jaime rebound. Oh, pass to the wrong guy. Oh, he missed the shot. Purdy bank shot. Good. Looks like CCP Bulldog is getting tired.
Get that.
Number 26 for 3. Good! Number 26, 3-point shots.
This is the last quarter, right? Oh, thank God. Last quarter.
Jaime to Kuya Mario. Pass to. Rebound by Jaime.
Sit down, Jaime. Sit up.
Jaime set it up again. Go inside. Pass to Pablo to Purdy. Good. The banker made it again. Number 29. 0-0 to 29. Pass to 26. Fake. Pass to number 4 for 3. Another rebound by number 29. Atienza banked it. Oh, in and out. Recovered by Jaime to Pablo to Galvez. Bank shot again. The banker. The banker.
You got direct deposit. You got direct deposit.
Mark. Guarded by 2 guys. Same ball. Blue ball. Number 0-0. Go inside. Pump the ball. Bank it inside.
Good job, good game.
Galvez. Oh, good crossover by Purdy. Oh, good pass. John for 3. No good. Recovered by Kuya Mario. No good. Foul number 16 over the back. Dead ball, dead ball. Number 26 for 3. No good. Rebound by John. To Pablo. Pablo all the way. Pablo. Missed the shots. Oh, pass it to the wrong guy. Kuya Mario. Easy. Cannot go up. Pass to Kuya Mario. To Pablo. For 3. Good! Pablo, 3 points. On a dead ball, Kuya Mario. You had to stay there for a while.
Broke down. Call AAA.
Call the ambulance na.
Call
He
AAA.
needs air. Kuya Mario is still grabbing the rebound right there. Oh, foul. Number? Oh, timeout. Number 25? Now you're only going.
Let's
Come
go.
on. Guy, let's finish it.
It's only 5 minutes left. You can get out of here early. 20 minutes left. Run it now.
Ikaw ang player of the game. Number 16 Young, crossover to Jaime, open shots. No good. Number 35 going inside. Good defensive play by number 69. Oh, what a good. Oh, you still get the ball. That was really, yeah, good hustle by number 26. John, get the ball. Oh my God. It's not time for being sloppy now, guys. We have a big lead. Number 35. Number 26 for 3.
Bang!
5-point turnaround shots by CCP Bulldog. The game is not over yet, guys. Number 16 up. Foul number 26. Blocking foul. Not yet.
There you go. Give it to Galvez. Right, John?
Young guarded by Marpua. Foul by number 19.
2019. What?
40. Pump the fake. Go inside. Tap by number 26. Whose ball? Rep. Oh, okay. Toto, skip the ball. Oh, a bad pass. Here we go. The game is not over till the fat lady sings. Another 3-point. Oh, almost. Well, wow, he hustling. He's hustling. Oh. Jong. A good inside game. 1-1. Number 35. Docenza, number 29 layup. He missed it. Back up. No good. Number 26 pick it up for 3. No good. Back up by Atienza, number 29.
36-44, 8-point game.
8-point game. Wow, another look pass from Galvez. Inside pass. Oh, missed it by a break. Number 35. Go inside, easy. Back shot, no good. Purdy looking for an angle for a bank. No good. Now he's missing.
3.
Another 3 for number 26. Another 1 for number 4. Good shot. 5-point. Oh no. Yeah, 5-point lead. They're coming back from 30 points advantage by Todos. They're coming back. They're hustling. Foul. Number
How
19.
many fouls in 19? You got like 3 already?
They are in penalty now. And next one. Next one is penalty. Purdy hold the ball with 1 minute left. Oh, what? A good defensive play by. Oh, he tapped it. Blue ball. A tap by number 16. Okay, guys, don't go inside the court, please. Kids, hold your kids. Oh, wow, shot. 3-point lead,
41-44.
timeout by Toros.
41-44. Come back.
Momentum is changing now. 3-point lead. They're pressing the ball now to Galvez. Galvez, grab the ball. Now he's spinning around like almost a steal. Number 26.
4 fouls. Yeah, 4. Yeah.
Yeah, you have one more. 2 shots, penalty. This is the game changing. This is this is important. Oh, he missed the first shot. He missed the first shot. He missed the second shot too. A rebound. Foul. Number 16, foul. How many fouls?
You got 4, John?
Number 16, you got 4 fouls. You are semi to graduate. Oh, what a steal by Kuya Mario! Wow, that's a game changer right there. Wow, look at that.
26 again.
Takbong ultra ang ginawa.
5 fouls on 26.
Imagine. The one that doesn't hit the air, the one steal the ball. Good defensive. Good bounce from Purdy. Last shot. Good shot. 2 for 2 for Galvez.
Back to 5.
3-point shot. Good! Oh my God. It's a 2-point game. It's a 2-point game. Number 29 foul. How many fouls you got?
2.
2 fouls only. 2 for 2 for number 16. It's a crucial game. Make it more interesting. Good shot. That's sealing the game. Yeah. Last shot. That's the icing of the game. Timeout from blue corner. This is an interesting game. 4 points leads by Carlos with 16.4 seconds left. There's still a chance for the CCP Bulldogs. 3-point shot. No good, but a backup game by number 19. 2-point differential. 19 foul. Is that 8 for 19?
4 fouls?
3 foul. You're still okay. Interesting pa yung game. Ano yun ito? Ano na lang? 4 seconds. Oh, looks like there's still a chance for CCP Bulldog. Meron pa? Isa. Okay, that seals the game. 4 seconds left. 3, 2, no! Tatas win the game by 3 points.